Welcome to On the Road with Bill Holub podcast.
Hi, this is Bill Holub from Steam Trap Survey, LLC. This is our third podcast. Today we'll be talking about universal steam traps. So we'll start off with a typical NPT version, 3/4 inch in this case, of the inverter bucket. You either, when you have to repair this or replace this, if you're replacing it, you're breaking the steam line, taking this totally out, putting a new one right back in, or replacing it with a different type of trap. The other option is replace this horizontal flange with all the internals, with the internal bucket and everything else like that. Let the gasket, put it back on, put it back in place. Either way, you have to turn off the steam, depressurize the steam, and get this thing repaired. Replacement time typically depends. The topic I'm trying to bring up is universal steam traps. Where I go and do steam trap surveys, I recommend either universal steam traps or a float and thermostatic change steam trap. The universal steam trap comes in two pieces. This is the universal connection, 3/4 inch. This goes where this was. So you take this out, you put this in, and it stays there. You never have to break the line anymore. All you have to do is remove two bolts, put this device on, bolt it up, and you're ready to go. You can turn this any way you want. This is a thermostatic steam trap. This is the bimetallic steam trap. So it doesn't really matter which way you mount this in this case. However, in future installations, you may want to put an inverted bucket trap, a universal inverted bucket trap. So you would like to have, I prefer that this flange of the universal connector be vertical so that you can put a inverted bucket trap, which would look more like this setup, so that bucket can move up and down. Or if you want to change it with a float and thermostatic trap, mount it like this, and then you could mount your universal float and thermostatic trap in this direction because the float has to move up and down. You can't have it installed any other way. If you install it this way, horizontally, you can put a thermostatic trap, you can put a thermodynamic trap on it without any problems, but you'll never be able to put the inverted bucket trap or float and thermostatic trap. Any questions, just contact me. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Look forward to our next podcast.